깍두기. 숟가락엔 젓가락엔 깎는 숟가락엔 젓가락. Hi, how are you? Today I'm in Gangneung, which is the east side of Korea, and very famous, really like big mountains and east coast side of the sea. And right now I'm trying to have the local food from the Gangneung, and especially right now here they are very famous for the local potato, fresh potatoes. So we are having some sort of the Korean style gnocchi and then potato pancakes, and then having some acorn little jelly type of the fresh little salad. So it's gonna be really good. Let's try this. And this is the Korean makgeolli, one of the liquor things. It's made out of the rice and oyster. It's really good. Trying with all this Korean traditional food. Yeah, a little bit of alcohol. Oh. Okay. Okay. You can shake it more, make a little more of the white stuff coming out, like the rice stuff. Cheers. It smells like alcohol. Wow, this is actually not that strong though. Ooh, it's very good. Okay, let's start with the acorn jelly. So this is one of the diet style and also toxic-free style. It's really good. It's one of the really healthy food in Korea. So we eat the acorn powder, making it as the jelly type, like this, and mixing it out with a lot of vegetables and eat it together. Try this. Oh, especially actually I like with the sesame seed leaf. Ooh. Ah, yeah. You go. So the pancake is bigger than the dish. Oh. Okay, let's start the savory. Korean gnocchi. So this is the based on probably some of the little fish flavor with the vegetable broth, and really literally making it with a fresh potato. Yeah. Voila. And some seaweed to adding a little more sea smell. Smells so good. I've been here like a year ago, and oh my, I've been missing this forever. The first taste is like a potato, but the good one. Oh. Wow. So good. Oh, it has so much of the potato texture. It's not finely grounded, but it does have some sort of chunks you can really chew it. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's like one of the soul food you can only have in Gangneung area, local food. So good. Yes. Okay, especially for the Korean Gamja Ongshimi. We actually adding the kimchi together. Gamja Ongshimi with the kimchi. Ongshimi is going into my mouth. Wow. Yes. Wata. Bigger than the dish. Whoa, this is also made out of 100% potato with a little of the vegetable, right? So this is also, there are so many people really love this 100% potato. It smells so good. It's like a kind of roasted pancake, but I'm gonna eat this one bite. Oh my god. So good. It's chewy. Oh my god, how can you tell about this? It's just so good. Potato, but it's just not potato. One of the best, amazing flavor of some kind of burnt, a little bit of the burnt flavor of the potato. So good. You can try that too. Cheers, everyone. Luckily.